Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss Dodla Dairy Limited March quarter results, that is quarter 4 financial 21 results. Dodla Dairy Limited came into IPO recently, that is on June 28. So today they announced March quarter results. Here amount in millions. We are going to discuss quarter on quarter results and year on year results, but we'll give more importance for year on year results. First we'll check year on year results, that means March 20 results with March 21 results. Here we need to remember one point. Here March 20 results are before IPO. That means those results are at the time of private company. Now Dodla Dairy Limited is public company. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 527 crores. This year 530 crores. Here 3 crores was increased. This is very less. Later other income. Previous year 1.7 crores. This year 2.8 crores. Here 1 crore was increased. Later expenses. First one is cost of material consumed. Previous year 422 crores, this year 370 crores. Here revenue from operations increased from 527 crores to 530 crores, but cost of material consumed decreased from 422 crores to 370 crores. Here 50 crores was decreased. Later change in inventories. Previous year 3.4 crores credited, this year 25 crores spent. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 22 crores, this year 23 crores. Here 1 crore employee benefit expenses was increased. So we'll ignore this one. Later finance cost. It was decreased from 5.2 crores to 2.2 crores. Here half of the interest was decreased. This is positive side. You need to remember one more point. Here they are paying only 2.2 crores as interest. That means this is zero debt company. That is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 12 crores, this year 12 crores, so we'll ignore this one. Later other expenses, previous year 72 crores, this year 75 crores, we'll ignore this one. What you understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Revenue from operations increased from 527 crores to 530 crores, here only 3 crores was increased. Cost of material consumed decreased from 422 crores to 370 crores. Employee benefit expenses increased from 22 crores to 23 crores. Here only 1 crore was increased. So that is positive point. Later finance cost, it was decreased from 5.2 crores to 2.2 crores. So here they are paying only 2 crores as interest. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive point. Later profit before tax. Previous year 1.9 crores loss. This year 24 crores profit. So this is positive sign. Here profit before tax converted from negative to positive. That is positive side. Later income tax expense. So previous year they have losses, due to that one here they didn't pay any tax. This year they paid 7 crores and deferred tax is 7.4 crores. So here profit before tax is 24 crores, but here income tax they paid 14 crores. So here they are paying high income tax. We need to remember this point. Here due to high income tax, so profit for the period was decreased. Next one is profit for the period. Last quarter 1.9 crores loss, this year 9.5 crores profit. So here they are getting loss to profit. So this is positive sign. Later we'll check equity share capital. Here paid up equity share capital. So before IPO, this paid up equity capital is 55.6 crores. After IPO, here paid up capital is 58.3 crores. Here they dilute the equity. Here equity increased. Later earning per share. Due to losses, here earning per share is negative. So this quarter 1.68 rupees. Here negative value to positive value, that is positive sign. Now check quarter on quarter. That means we'll compare 31st December 20 with 31st March 21. Revenue from operations increased from 497 crores to 530 crores. Here profit before tax decreased from 56 crores to 24 crores. So later income tax expense, previous year they paid 14 crores, here they paid 14 crores, same tax. Later profit for the period, previous quarter 41.6 crores, this quarter 9.5 crores. If we compare year on year, profit for the period is 1.9 crores loss to 9.5 crores profit, that is positive sign. If we check with quarter on quarter, so here in previous quarter 41.6 crores profit, this quarter 9.5 crores profit. So here profits are decreased. So this December result and March results are before IPO. 31st March 21 results after IPO. Dodla Dairy Limited got good results based on year on year. We'll give more importance for year on year only. We'll check few more points. Here, 6 point. Subsequent of the year end, company has completed initial public offering of up to 1 crore 21 lakhs 53,668 equity shares of face value of 10 each of Dodla Dairy Limited for cash at price of 428 rupees per equity share. They came to IPO on 28th June 2021 with price 428. Now we'll check current price. So IPO price is 428 rupees. So after IPO on 28th, price was increased from 428 rupees to 609 rupees. Later, price was decreased from 609 rupees to 575 rupees. Later, 572. So 572 on July 6th. So later, price was increased from 572 rupees to 620 rupees. So current price is 620 rupees. Dodla Dairy Limited got good results year on year, but already this price was increased from IPO price 428 rupees to 620 rupees. That means currently Dodla Dairy Limited is overvalued. If the price will decrease in the future, then we can buy Dodla Dairy Limited in the future at low prices. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.